highly integrated 60-channel telephone media converter. 1U rack-mountable design for converged access networks. Modular design supports 60 voice channels. Rich panel interfaces enable complex networking. SFP Optical Interface is hot swappable and supports 2040-80 CAN optical modules. Dual optical ports provide 1+1 protection. If one cable fails, the other immediately takes over, ensuring uninterrupted service. Provides fast or gigabit line rate Ethernet with LAN pass-through for stable data transmission. FSO port connects to PBX or carrier lines for internal or external call switching. FX port directly powers phones and provides dial tone with clear voice quality. Connect PBX switch firstly. Each RJ45 port allows 4-channel POTS line. Connect one line to PBX and FSO central part. Then, use same line to connect FX remote part and phone. Remote phone setting finished. Connect other phone device to PBX. Phones on both sides can now dial freely. Timer started equals call in progress. E1 connection. Optionally supports 4x E1 interfaces for legacy TDM services. As we currently lack an E1 device, we are routing the E1 interface output through an E1 to Ethernet protocol converter to present it in Ethernet format. The wiring follows a specific sequence. The wires must not be mixed up. The established Ethernet connection now confirms that the E1 output is successful. POTS connection. Powerful SNMP or console management system with real-time remote monitoring and alarms. The FSO device is for central site. This is FSO device for remote site. The management software is in the central device. Let's insert the Internet cable to the management port. We need to change the computer's IP address. Same as the device. Then, the computer can ping successfully. Now let's run the software. The management software is easily be used. It don't need to install. Double-click the button. We can change the language if you need. Let's type username and password. Let's add the net. IP address equals IP address of device. This is for the remote device FX. This is for the central device FSO. This is the optical port. This is for E1 port. We can find all alarm, because we don't connect the anyones. This is the Ethernet. We can see those parameters. For example, enable, disconnect, speed, half full duplex. Those for the telephone setting, on hook or not. Now, let's turn to the remote device effects. Same setting. We also can show the device status by the picture. All the working status will be shown.